Come, let us spill this already spilled juice and get into some reality TV. We are going to talk about Married at First Sight, and we are on Thabang and Kumo, right? Guys, Kumo, I don't know, what is she trying? Or is she trying hard or what? Ne? Girl initially seemed like she wants to be Lobolat, like because it's a conversation that she brought up, and the guy was like, "I'm tired of this conversation," right? But now on today's episode, Ugro was like, "No, Lobola, I don't think that I want that for myself. And also, I'll check the guy that needs to pay that Lobola and I'll decide to go to must this guy Lobola or not." And I'm like, girl, are you trying too hard or what? Also, guys, Usebenzile said the girl lied and said no pornyakos, no nothing, right? But in their private moment outside the cameras, girl bakhulumile ukuthi hayi thina hey senze kwenzeke sayenza kwenzeke kwayenzeka vele kwabamnandi. But now I'm asking myself ukuthi, why is girl lying? Why is girl lying? And why be cagey about the intimacy thing? I mean, you are literally married to this man by now. So here, intimacy is what, intimacy is not what, should not even matter. But I'm legit worried. I don't want to lie. I'm worried about their conflict management. I'm worried about them not talking things directly and hitting them head on. I'm worried about her trying to paint this relationship in a different manner. I'm just worried, Nje. Ugusi, they were the couple that I thought, no man, this couple is coupling and they are the most compatible. But right now, Kumo is giving me something else. Okay, fine. Utabang we can see with possibilities of being a player very high, possibility of him still being young enough to roam around and be a party animal. They are there, right? But I don't think Uguti, to what I've seen, he's not hiding who he is. But Ukumo, angeke. Ungipama red flag. I don't know why. But Ugirl is like, I don't know, she's pretending for this guy or what's happening. I don't know. But like when I tell me, what have you seen? But okay, while you're telling me that, like, share, and subscribe.